someone to throw my arms around you. Then I tremble at the thought of giving in, because I know how much it costs to love you. And I'm so afraid of losing you again.